Matt, can you help him?
Oh, I think that's your job. Watch.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. How many times do you think he'll do it? Thank you. That was sweet, Max.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's such a fun game, huh, Max?
Okay, what is it stop doing now?
Thank you, he says.
Yeah. And don't get a long time to eat all drink. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. 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 Dee. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dee.
Thank you, Mia. Such a fun game. Thank you, Mia. No rest without Maxton around. Oh no, he's getting faster. Thank you. Thank you, Mia. Uh-oh. You guys are silly. So silly. You're so patient, Mia. Now what are you doing? Uh-oh. Thank you.
Why don't you not eating, Max?
Because he's playing games with you.
Max, you have to eat. It's your snack time. It's your snack time. It's your snack time, Max. I don't keep wanting to help you. Because friends eat. And you're my cousin. And cousins eat.
You forgot to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job. Oh. This game is never going to get old, huh?